Hi guys, thanks for checking in with Design by Kathy. Today we're going to do a canvas painting. We're going to do the flip and drag method. So let's get set up and get started right now. For this I found my inspiration with these colors. I wanted to use some colors for this that I have not used before, and like I have mentioned on some other videos, I like to find these color palettes like this on Pinterest, and I've got a lot of them saved that you can go and save for your own board. It's on Design by Kathy on Pinterest, and I've got a lot of these, but I like this color combination, and like I said, I wanted to use some colors that I have not used before. I tend to go back to the same things. We're all kind of creatures of habit, and I know I am. So I'm gonna set that safely out of the way. So I did not have that pretty lime green, but I mixed a green and yellow. This isn't quite as lime, but it's gonna work for us, I think. For the fuchsia color, I actually have this fuchsia glitter paint. I just thought a little sparkle, why not? And then I've got this little, actually called Robin's egg blue. Anyway, it made a pretty color. And for the lilac, I have purple iris, which I added a little bit of white to lighten that up. And then for the burgundy or the dark, I had this fuchsia. No, this is actually deep burgundy. Maybe a little darker. I may want to add just a little bit of white to this because as you can see, it's pretty dark. So I'm going to add just a little bit of white just to lighten it up just a little. When I've used it before, and the reason I'm thinking I should do this, when I've used it before, it's pretty overpowering. It's a pretty strong color. So I want to lighten it up just a little bit. Okay, now to each of these colors, I have done a 1-to-1 ratio of my Liquitex pouring medium, and I put about 2 drops of the treadmill belt lubricant. So I'm gonna set these out of the way, and we're gonna start making our flip cups. So this is what I'm thinking I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna actually pour some levels in these tiny cups, and then do one, well, depending on what's left, we'll do one pour. So let's see what we can come up with. I need to get my gloves on here, but we're gonna start with, I think we'll start with the light blue. And then I want the lilac. The glitter fuchsia. My almost lime green. I've got some white swirling around in here, so let me see if I can work on that just a little more. For our burgundy color, or hopefully now it's more of a dark fuchsia. Okay, I want to do the same thing here with these, except I have to remember what order we went in. That's always fun when, my attention span is that of probably a gnat, and remembering what order did I do that. Put that out. I may not even, yeah, we probably will. I like that. So I'm going to do one more little cup, and I'll show, we're going to see why. There is a, you know, there is a method or an idea to my madness. Let's say an idea. Okay, so now what's left, I'm going to layer in, well, you know what? We're going to just use this. We're not going to waste. Let's waste not. I'll start with this, and I'm going to layer everything that's left in here. Now for this, you will want to put your gloves on because this is going to get a little messy, but you know, that makes it fun. Makes it fun, so let's get messy. Okay, so now let me set these aside, my little cups. I'm going to turn my canvas over. Oh, as I pull everything off the table. Okay, we're going to leave that there. Now this is going to get interesting because clearly I can't flip it back over again, but we're going to try this. Oops, that one didn't exactly make it, did it? Whew. Okay, hang on. Got hair and hot, and now I'm gonna just kind of drag this along. Like so. And I'm going to do the same with these. Now, not to worry about all the paint that's flowing over because we're going to use it. We shall not be wasteful. I will say from some other projects, it's better to be a little instead of, you know, I've tended to be a little too conservative with my paint. We're going to just let that continue to flow. This that's falling over can do one of two things with it. Can actually use it on something else, or make sure I have all my edges covered completely. I'm going to set these out here to put this on. Sorry if I held that up out of view, but I was trying not to. trying for it to not go all over everything. You pick up here and get these edges. And I like these colors. I like the swipe right there. I'm not sure if I love it like I thought I would, but it's an interesting look. See, I want those all filled in there. I love the color combination though. So let's see, let's make a decision. Decisions. Do we go on and let it run this way? I do love the color combination, and I have trouble, you know, sometimes picking out, you know, especially if you're going to use more than one. What color to use? I want to scoop some of this here. I think we can actually scoop it back in here. Oops, but see, it starts to get muted, but that's okay. Like I said, I really like that color combo. Not seeing my glitter just yet, but as it dries, you know, sometimes that kind of will help a little bit, and our glitter, you know, it's just going to be subtle anyway. So it's not that we wanted to do a full-on glitter project, but just wanted a little sparkle here and there. Probably if we had shoot it with a really, you know, a good light, yeah, you can actually see some of the glitter. When I set it down across there, I can see some of the glitter, and that is gorgeous, gorgeous. It's just a teeny bit. Oh, I don't want to put that there. I want purple or the lilac. Just want those little drawn in places, but I don't want to change what the natural flow of the colors did, because I think that is just too pretty to mess with. Let's see if I can get that one that I just helped to kind of move on. Oh, okay. Wow. Well, I said I wanted to do something with different colors, and that, by golly, was, and I really do love the color combination. But again, go to, you know, go to Pinterest, and if you want some color combos that are already saved, go to my Design by Kathy, go to my artboard, and I've got a lot of these saved, but this is great for inspiration on what colors to put together. And it's really, well, it's helpful to me. I hope it'll be helpful to you. Anyway, we're gonna let this dry, and we'll see how much sparkle shows up. I'll try to get a good picture of the sparkle as it starts to dry. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this and got something out of it. Please feel free to leave me your comments and let me know what you think of this little project. I hope you'll like and share, and please subscribe. Anyway, as I always say, whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it.